If you are seeing me for the first time, I'm woman of nature, the woman that tackles physical problems with natural stuffs. Please, if you are watching, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, you like the video and share for other people to join us. Now, if you want people to obey you, if you want when you speak, everybody who hears your voice will obey automatically what you have said, be it physical, in physical appearance or through phone call. When you call somebody, when you tell somebody something, there is going to obey you, no matter who the person you are talking to. There are so many people, when they speak, it looks like no one is hearing them. Many people have been silenced spiritually. When they talk, even in the marriage, many people don't have a voice again. Many people, nobody listens to them, even though what they're saying is the truth. Many people have been silenced. Many people have been tortured to an extent they have no voice anymore. And sometimes it causes by spiritual affliction. Go and get me cinnamon. When you get cinnamon, get me sugar, grinded sugar and grinded cinnamon. Mix it together. If you have an important call to make, or you are going for an interview, let's start from interview. You are going for an interview. Before you leave your house, put these two mixture under your tongue and go there. When you speak, even though you don't know what they're talking, they will accept you. If you're in a relationship, you can't even ask something tangible from your kind, or your partner don't take care of you. And when you ask, even though he has it, he will turn you down. Put this mixture under your tongue and call him. Ask anything you want to ask. He will do that thing ASAP. If somebody is owing you and truly the person has the money to pay, and because of corny lifestyle and stupidity or selfish reason, the person doesn't want to pay you, do this. Put this two mixture under your tongue. Go and meet the person, or you call the person. When the person hears your voice, the person will just send you your money immediately. Anywhere you are, you will be you will have voice. When you speak, everybody will keep quiet to listen to you. If you are married, you are in a relationship, many married women, they don't talk to their husband. Their husband doesn't listen to them. You can use this remedy as well to draw your husband's attention. He will listen to you. And not just listen, he's not just listening to you, he's going to obey you straight. There's no two ways about it. The moment you call him to talk to him, like some husbands, their life is nothing to write home about. They live so flamboyant. They spend excessively. When their wife is trying to caution them, they will not listen. Rather, the wife will receive a very thoroughly beating. Do this thing to save your man, to save your marriage. Because when a man doesn't listen from his wife, when this man is going to fall, he will not have a soft landing. That is the reason why every successful man, there is a good man behind it. But we are in a situation, a man doesn't listen to his wife. What do you think will happen? Even though when the man is going astray, he don't care. He don't want to listen. Women, this is an opportunity. Use this remedy to get him, to talk to him. He's going to obey you. If you are watching to this extent and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and see the powers of God in this channel. Thank you so much. See you in my next